Imposter syndrome is just excellence doubting itself. These affirmations have improved my imposter syndrome, and they'll do the same for you. Stay until the end for our motivational quote, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I am qualified. I can belong here. I deserve my success. People value my expertise. Every day I prove myself more. Today I realize I belong. I am qualified. I have earned my place. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.